Tracy with Bewitched Crafts, and today I'd like to show you how to use Close to My Heart's Base and Shade stamp sets. Base and Shade stamp sets allow you to apply 3 colors of ink to a single image in 3 steps to gain dimension. These sets come in several different types of stamp sets, mostly florals, like this one, which also has a matching thin cut set so that you can die cut a perfect edge around your stamped image. They also come in shapes like these. So today's project, we're going to make this fish in these 3 steps from the Let's Go Fishing stamp set. I've selected 3 colors, mint, sage, and bluebird. I've got my acrylic block ready, a piece of white cardstock, this is White Daisy, and I've got the foams piece from the stamp set underneath my paper so that I get crisp, clear images each time I transfer ink. Let's get started. Start with the base stamp. This is going to be a solid stamp, and we're going to add dimension and detail with the next 2 stamps. You'll use this one with your lightest color of ink. Peel it off the backing sheet and apply it to your acrylic block. The acrylic block is clear, so you'll always be able to see through and see where you're stamping on your project. We're working with the lightest shade of ink now, which is mint. Apply the stamp directly to the ink pad. There's no need to press here. Just tap lightly and then apply to the paper. You can clean this off with our stamp scrubber and stamp spray liquid. We're going to set it aside for now and move on to the next image. I'm applying the stamp to my acrylic block. And now I'm switching colors to bring in sage. Tap lightly. And now it's important to really line this up with the image you had earlier. This is where it's critical to use an acrylic block. I can see directly through to the project where I've stamped before, and I'm simply going to press on top of it. There we go. I'll set that aside to clean and switch to Bluebird, my darker ink, for the final detail stamp. Here's the image of the final detail of the stamp. I'm applying it to my acrylic block and applying Bluebird ink. Line the stamp up over your project and press lightly. Lift straight up, and there you have it, a base and shade stamped Let's Go Fishing. I hope you'll give base and shade stamping a try. You just need 1 stamp set, 3 colors of ink, and a My Acrylic block for the perfect project.